Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we're unboxing Horatio. This is the 2024 Deluxe Collector Club Stablemate. So, let's see what we got here. Do not open with sharp instrument. Yeah. Every time. Because the dull ones don't work. See? Do not open with sharp instrument. He's in a little baggie that even has his name on it. If you guys know, this drum horse is my favorite mold. My favorite. Ooh. I get a deluxe pen. Collector Club 2024. Wow, that's cool. Awesome. And here he is. Gray. I guess on him you call him a Sabino. Let's take a good look at him. I know the eyes, disappointed in the eyes. Put a nice gray Sabino because it's coming up from the legs. Yeah. The eye is, of course, for me to do the eye, I would need an electron microscope, so I can't complain too much. I'd have a rough time doing that eyeball. But I love this mold, and this is the stablemate version. Yeah, he's nice. I mean, it's a different color than the other one, but he's still really pretty. Like the little flecks. Okay, I'm happy with him. Like I said, aside from the eyes being just like plop. The paint job's nice. He's a pretty mold. And I really don't see any mold flaws. So yeah, that guy's pretty cool. Awesome. So that's Horatio. Thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have a really good day.